Can we pretend?
We met last night at the club, you told me you were in love. Came home and switched in the tub, and now you're in my yard. Woke up and saw you were gone, you're running across my lawn without your pants or shoes on. Here comes my St. Bernard, vodka was flowing, but cleavage was showing. Your mind, I was blowing, man, we were so freaking wasted. Tack, you're my boyfriend, my name is Carly, but all my doctors just call me crazy. I made you pop tarts with extra gravy, but I'm a cowgirl, you have to pay me. Psych, I'm just kidding, aren't I crazy? Let's watch full hours of Chelsea lately, and other boys try to taste me. The doors are locked now, you can't escape me. I wanna be more than friends, look how far my legs can bend.
I'm sorry, I can't say. Look, I don't mean to be rude, but I don't think that was rude.
I've got pictures of you that hey, don't look away. You're my one and only, that's what my dad told me, but don't think you own me. I'd sacrifice some chicken, I've 10 close. Feel free to thank me, but here's the thing weird, it's probably maybe. Hey, my fans, they seem to hate me.
They don't know, they're really fake.
It's my husband, he's in the Navy. He's gonna kill you, he's also crazy.
I'm gonna kill you, but that's my lady. What's going on here?
You tried to rape me.
When people try to rape my wife, it makes me so mad. It makes me real bad. I'm gonna kick your ass. Come to think of it, my wife is just a guy in drag. I need a real man, so come in, baby. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the Key of Awesome. If you want to see all the other Key of Awesome, click on the grid over here. This was my collab that I did with the hilarious Bart Baker.
Hey guys, if you want to see all my parodies, click below. I think you're really gonna dig my channel if you're a Key of Awesome fan, so check it out. If you want to see my parodies, look right here, baby. Click those things.
We met last night at the club, you told me you were in love. Came home and switched in the tub, and now you're in my yard. Woke up and saw you were gone, you're running across my lawn without your pants or shoes on. Here comes my St. Bernard, vodka was flowing, but cleavage showing. Your mind, I was blowing, and we were so freaking wasted. Tack, you're my boyfriend, my name is Carly, but all my doctors just call me crazy. I make pop tarts with extra gravy, but I'm a cowgirl, you have to pay me. Psych, I'm just kidding, aren't I crazy? Let's watch 12 hours of Chelsea lately, and other boys try to taste me. The doors are locked now, you can't escape me. Mama's just sex again, I wanna be more than friends, but how far my legs can bend.
I'm sorry, I can't say. Look, I don't mean to be rude, but I don't think that was rude.
I've got pictures of you that hey, don't look away. You're my one and only, that's what my dad told me, but don't think you own me. I'd sacrifice some chicken, I've 10 close. Feel free to thank me, but here's the thing weird, it's probably maybe. Hey, my fans, they seem to hate me.
They don't know, they're really fake.
My husband, he's in the Navy. He's gonna kill you, he's also crazy.
I'm gonna kill you, but that's my lady. What's going on here?
You tried to rape me.
People try to rape my wife, it makes me so mad. It makes me real mad. I'm gonna kick your ass. Come to think of it, my wife is just a guy in drag. I need a real man, so come in, baby. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the Key of Awesome. See all the other Key of Awesome. This is right over here. This is my collab that I did with the hilarious Bart Baker.
Hey guys, if you want to see all my parodies, click below. I think you're really gonna dig my channel if you're a Key of Awesome fan, so check it out. If you want to see my parodies,
Going to tell you. We met last night at the club, you told me you were in love. Came home and switched in the tub, and now you're in my yard. Woke up and saw you were gone, you're running across my lawn without your pants or shoes on. Here comes my St. Bernard, vodka was flowing, but cleavage